Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious tacos de papa con chorizo. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our potatoes. And for this recipe, we're going to need 4 large potatoes or 6 small ones. But I'm just going to begin by cutting the ends. And you can always peel them if you want to. And just cut the sides. Okay, once we have it, begin to cut it sideways and then cut it into strips and then into cubes. Okay, once we have them, we're just going to transfer them into our bowl and cover them with a damp paper towel so like that they don't oxidize. And just repeat the process with the rest of the potatoes. Okay, so once we have our potatoes, we can now get ready to take it to the stove. Okay, so here we're going to set our pan over medium-high heat and allow it to get nice and hot. Once ready, add your 8 ounces of chorizo and just begin to break it down. Okay, once you break down the chorizo, add the potatoes. And here I'm going to season my potatoes with a little bit of salt and black pepper. Okay, now mix it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to add our diced onion and jalapeño. I'm just going to mix it and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, remove as much oil as possible from your chorizo. And now just add your 2 Roma tomatoes. Just going to mix it and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes, or just until the potatoes are nice and soft. Okay, then after 5 minutes, our potatoes should be nice and soft. Make sure that you check them. So at this point, they are done. Now, of course, you want to check them for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But once we have that, we're just going to turn it off and begin to smash down our potatoes. Okay, now because I want to have a little chunks of my potatoes still, I'm just going to leave them like this. But of course, if you want your filling to be a little bit more smoother, smash them more. Okay, so at this point, our filling is done. Now, because I'm going to be deep frying my tacos, I want everything to stay together. So for that, we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is going to prevent the chorizo, the onion, the potatoes, and just everything from coming out. And lastly, we add our queso Oaxaca. Okay, and just like that, we have our papas con chorizo filling ready. And I'm just going to set it to the side so like that I could quickly make a salsa. Okay, now for my tacos de papa, I'm going to be making a salsa verde con aguacate. So for that, we're going to add 8 tomatillos into a small saucepan, along with a little piece of onion and chiles serranos or jalapeños. I'm using 2 serranos. We're just going to cover them with water, set it over high heat, and bring it to a boil. As soon as that comes to a boil, transfer it to your blender cup. Okay, so now we can get ready to make our salsa. Okay, now to blender cup, we're also going to add our handful of cilantro, 2 garlic cloves, a little bit of salt, 1 avocado. And just make sure that it is nice and ripe. And we're just going to be blending with 1/4 of a cup of water. Okay, now just blend into smooth. And just like that, we have our salsa. So now we're just going to transfer it to our bowl. Okay, now here, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. But now we're just going to set our salsa to the side until it's time to serve. Okay guys, so once we're ready to make our tacos, we're going to grab our corn tortillas. Make sure that you soften them either in the microwave or in the stovetop, but you just want them to be nice and soft. So now we're just going to grab our filling, add a thin layer of it, just mash it down, close it, just like that. And once we have them, we can get ready to fry them. Ready? And once they're nice and golden on both sides, we're just going to drain as much oil as possible. And just like that, we repeat the process with the rest of our tacos. Alrighty guys, and once we have our tacos, we can now get ready for the fun part, and that's serving. Okay, so here I'm going to get my taco. Just going to open it a little bit, top it with some lettuce, some crema fresca, some queso fresco, our delicious salsa, and of course some pickled onions. And just like that, you get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this right here is seriously super simple. They're so easy, so delicious, and they're seriously the best. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. They're just perfect. You can never go wrong with the taco de papa. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make quick and easy tacos de papa con chorizo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.